bayanihan, pagtutulungan at pagmamahal na tiyak relate ang mga Pinoy. Yan ang ilan sa mga dapat abangan bukas sa unang araw ng showing ng Filipino adaptation ng multi-award-winning musical na Come From Away. Ang ilang Pinoy cast ibinahagi rin kung bakit naging malapit sa kanilang puso ang kwento ng play na pagpapakita rin nila ng pagiging isang Pilipino. Ang buong detalye sa Showbiz Report ni Rovic Manuel.
Welcome to The Rock.
Every single flight off the work at the airport. Welcome to the pot. Welcome to the trees, to the ocean and the sky and whatever's in between. Turn on what's on left.
I am here.
Sitting down there, checking the hospitals, putting up signs, we something instead. I am here.
At prayer. Ilan lang yan sa mga patikim na dapat abangan sa pinakabagong Filipino adaptation ng award-winning musical play na Come From Away na mapapanood na simula bukas sa Samsung Performing Arts Theater. Ang kwento ay hango sa hindi malilimutang pangyayari noong September 11, 2001 o mas kilala sa 9/11 terrorist attack sa World Trade Center sa New York. Dito ipakikita kung paanong tinulungan at binuksan ng mga residente sa Gander, Newfoundland sa Canada ang kanilang mga pinto sa nasa 7,000 airline passengers na na-stranded na tinawag nilang mga Come From Away. Ayon sa ilang cast ng musical play, naging malapit sa kanilang mga puso ang kwento nito dahil sa pagpapakita ng malasakit, bayanihan at hospitality na likas din sa ating mga Pilipino.
For us, I believe we have the values of malasakit, compassion, we have bayanihan, which you will see as well in the show. There are so many numbers where you see everybody band together. We have that within us as Filipinos, so I feel like we really connected with that in all those numbers. It reminds you of exactly the Filipino heart, our generosity, our love, and we just want to share that with everybody.
Ibinahagi naman ni Sheila Francisco na gaganap bilang si Beulah ang naramdaman sa role na ibinigay sa kanya at inihalin tulad ng karanasan ng bansa noong bagyong Ondoy at pandemya sa kwento ng play.
I felt that I was meant to play it. When I first saw it in 2018, I already said to myself, I want to play Beulah. I am reminded of what happened to us in Ondoy. Do you remember that? It was a tragedy, but people stepped up. People stepped up. The Ganderites, they stepped up. We Filipinos, we stepped up during the pandemic, and that's why it really is so close to everyone's heart. Ayun.
Ang grupo tinaguri ang Avengers of the Philippine Theater dahil sa kanilang husay sa pagsabak sa multiple roles na inamin naman nilang hindi ito biro o madali.
Being able to play multiple characters in one show. But this is the most difficult because we literally change characters and accents within the scene. Not just going off stage, putting on a new costume, a new wig, and then entering as a different character. It's really, really difficult and we really have to practice and be precise when we do that.
Bukod naman sa pagkukwento, isa rin umanong ipinakikita ng musical play ang husay ng mga mandudulang Pilipino at maipakilala palalo ang industriya ng teatro sa bansa.
Maraming tao nanonood sa labas na hindi pa nila alam kung ano yung theater. Hindi nila alam yung musical theater. Hindi nila alam yung kakanta tapos sasayaw, kakanta, aarte. Hindi pa nila alam yung mga ganito minsan. And this is a perfect way to be able to showcase our craft or the thing that we love the most to the Filipinos.
Samantala, ilan pa sa Filipino cast na bibida sa Come From Away ay sina Garrett Bolden, Kaisa Borromeo, Mencho Yulo at Topper Fabregas. Mapapanood naman ang award-winning play simula bukas, June 6 hanggang 29 sa Samsung Performing Arts Theater sa Makati City. Para sa MBC TV Network News, ito si Rovic Manuel ng DZRH TV. Una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.